Hello everyone, my name is Salim and welcome to the markets breakdown analysis for Friday the 31st of March 2023. We'll be breaking down the chart and show you the exact zones where price could close above for potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at previous daily candle closing bullish above this daily resistance formed on the 28th of February 2023. So far on a weekly time frame, what we can see is the weekly is extremely bullish, breaking above this weekly resistance formed on the first week of March 2023. Also, the monthly time frame, the monthly is coming to a close as well this Friday, the 31st. So it'll be interesting to see how this monthly closing is it going to fill a part of this previous monthly high to fill this week, or is it going to reject and close week bearish? Now, based on the daily time frame, what we can see so far this week is the Monday closed bullish, the Tuesday ranged, the Wednesday and the Thursday closed bullish. Now, what's interesting about this is those daily candles closed and broken close above multiple daily resistances, multiple daily consolidation zones on the left. Now, what I can personally visualize is maybe the Friday will range, maybe the Friday will form a resistance to form some sort of a retracement, maybe to retest 163.200, this resistance, or maybe to retest 162 flat. And then obviously we'll form a new daily support and retest this high and then continue bullish. This is something that we've seen previously. In February the 13th, on Monday closed bullish, the Tuesday closed bullish, breaking above this resistance and those strong resistances on the daily time frame, and we've had this clean traffic on the left. And what happened? Daily, even though we've closed above these daily resistances, the next daily candle formed the resistance, retraced, formed the new daily support, and then retested this high and then continued bullish. And eventually we filled all these wicks, so all these clean candles on the left. Now to break down the chart, dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we've got the most recent 4-hour support at 163.960. The most recent 4-hour resistance is at 164.350. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we have the most recent 1-hour support at 163.960, the same level of resistance as well. And on the 30-minute time frame, we have those 30-minute supports, but since this is a 4-hour and the 1-hour support, we will adjust it based on this level. On the 30-minute time frame, we have a same level of support, and we can adjust the resistance to 164.410. Dropping down to the 15-minute time frame, we've had that fake out that we spoke about on the previous daily analysis posted, so we're just going to ignore this one. So this is going to be the no trade zone. Now to look for potential buys, going back to the daily time frame. Actually, even let's have a look at the monthly. The monthly, we have this wick, the weekly time frame. We can see is we have this previous weekly support formed on the 5th of December last year. On the daily, that matches with this weekly support. On the 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour resistance at 165.680. Dropping down to the hourly, let's have a look. So that was on the 28th. On the 28th, we have this 1-hour resistance at 165.890. Dropping down to the 30-minute time frame, we have the same level of resistance as well as the 15-minute time frame. So I'd say ideally is to stick to a high time frame now. So the first target could be 165.040 as price break and close above the previous daily candle, targeting the 165.040, this previous weekly support. The second target for buys, going back to the 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour resistance. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, let's have a look. And then we have this previous 1-hour support. So ideally is to have this as a second target for buys. That would be 165.410, targeting the previous 1-hour support. Going back to the daily to look for potential sells. Now the daily closed bullish. The first thing we can see is this previous daily resistance potentially could be retested. On the 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour support around 163.200. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we have 1 hour the hourly support at 163.560. Dropping down to the 30-minute time frame, we have this 30-minute support on a 15-minute time frame. So I'd say the first target for sells would be 163.560, targeting this 1 hour support. The second target for sells could be 163.200, targeting this 4-hour support.